My name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal, Plaza. I'm from CSE department. Today we are going to learn about what basically is artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence and the ability of machine or computer program to think, learn, and make decisions in a way that it can be equivalent to the human intelligence. In simple words, AI is when machines do tasks that usually require human intelligence. For example, understanding language. Let's see, like how I am talking right now. Then recognition of the images, which can include face recognition, then making decisions like recommending videos on YouTube or any product, any e-marketing sites, for example, Amazon, learning from data like improving search results or personal assistants like Siri or Alexa. This is the basic def- definition of the AI. These are some basic applications where we are using right now AI in the field of education, where we are using the very advanced lectures using AI, giving the MCQs to the students for solving the questions or giving any examination. Then we have the space exploration. You must have heard about Chandrayaan 3. So there, like, it's a huge role of artificial intelligence in the space exploration. Then there is a very different type of gaming platforms which are very much into AI, and they are making the games according to the users' demand. Then robotics also, like, it is a part of AI, and here, like, many different type of robots have been made in the field of agriculture. Like, many type of drones have been made using artificial intelligence to cultivate the harvesting, and different type of like fertilizers have been indulged in the robots to, and using of artificial intelligence to be in ground and like spreading the seeds. Then e-commerce, you must have seen, like, there are chatbots in the e-commerce websites, and different type of like marketing strategies also going around in the artificial intelligence. Then it, it's a very huge uh, application impact, which is healthcare, many type of like even robots using artificial intelligence, they are operating, and they are like very well defined operations are going on in every field of human body. And then the automobile, definitely it's very common to nowadays, as many type of vehicles and many type of short and the long vehicles, heavy vehicles have been made using artificial intelligence. Then there is the application, one of the application which is being used in the artificial intelligence, that is finance. Finance is like where all the finance related queries have been like conducted over here. This is surveillance also, like on the supervision, where even national security also, we are using the surveillance over the neighboring countries, or even in a simple way, if I say, we have at home also, that is also using artificial intelligence. Now the softwares have been made to surveillance the normal homes. even at the national level also. Social medias definitely, and Facebook, Instagram, like they do have like chat bots, they do have many applications installed in it, and different type of social medias which are providing using the artificial intelligence. Then entertainment, there are many kind of softwares which you can like provide your, either it's instrumental, it's vocal, and even you can make the reels, you can make the vlogs, so any like entertainment also we are using the artificial intelligence. So this is it for this video. We'll continue with this concept. Thank you so much.